The biggest indication or sign that it might be time to replace your air conditioner is your utilities. Typically what happens is when it starts to wear out, the capacity of it starts to go down and it'll work harder. It will actually draw more electrical amps, causing you to use more electricity. It doesn't necessarily mean that the air conditioner is running more, but it is working harder, so it's drawing more electricity.
The normal average range for this equipment is 10 to 15 years in terms of lifespan. So the customer asked me, what would you do? I have this 10-year-old piece of equipment, so in theory it should be lasting, but it's going to cost me $1,000 to repair.
In our mind, why would you want to replace a 10 or a 12-year-old system? Well, there are some, unfortunately, because of the lack of maintenance, because of the neglect, they may only be 10 or 12 years old, but they look 20, and they're operating like they're 25.
If it's an older style air conditioner, say if it's 20 years, well, the refrigerant used in those old systems, they're phasing that out. So that old refrigerant is very expensive to replace. You kind of have to weigh out your options. Are you going to spend $900 to fill up your air conditioner again, or are you going to invest in a new system and not have to worry about it for a long time?
If you spend $1,000 to repair this, you could get another 10 years out of it, or you could get another 2 until you're required to put more money back into it. Only the customer can determine what is the best path in that. The only thing I can do is I show them an option of replacement, show them the price, and then they can make the choice.
Some of the other signs that you can look for too, if you notice a big temperature difference in the house, or even a subtle difference in temperature, I mean, that's a red flag right there, because that's probably gonna just get worse. That means something has stopped working, maybe a part went bad. Look for certain noises. If you hear rumbles, if you hear things chattering, those are 2 really good signs you're going to have an issue here. And depending on what that is, that may be a sign that it's time to replace your air conditioner.